Practice set 9.2. Question number 1. Perpendicular height of a cone is. This is cone. Cone is 12 centimeter, and its slant height L is equal to 13 centimeter. Here no space, so I have written only 12. Find the radius of the base of the cone. Find this R. Okay, this is our question. Now this is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Therefore, we know that if this is right angle, then opposite side is hypotenuse. See here. In right angled triangle, we write h square plus r square is equal to L square. L is our hypotenuse, that is opposite to right angle. Therefore, we put values. What is h 12 square plus r square is equal to 13 square. Therefore, 144 plus r square is equal to 169. Therefore, we take like terms together. R square is equal to 169 minus 144. Therefore, R square is equal to 25. Taking here square, so we write taking square roots of both sides. Okay, therefore square root of r square is equal to square root of 25. Square root and square cancelled. Therefore, r is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, finally we write, therefore the radius of base of the cone will be, what is 5 centimeter. Did you get it? Very simple.